Croeso I Tŷ Cerdd. Welcome to Tŷ Cerdd. Come on in this way. Introduce you to the staff. Charlotte, who is our education officer, and Rhiannon, who's our events coordinator, and here's Elizabeth, who is our part-time administrator, and Matthew Thistlewood, who's our youth music development manager. Tŷ Cerdd aims to be a one-stop shop for people interested in music and the music of Wales, and really the world music coming into Wales. It has a large membership of well over 400 performing music societies throughout Wales. It has links with composers, it has its own recording studio and library, and an education policy that reaches well over 14,000 youngsters every year. Our links with the Millennium Centre are many, both with the individual organisations within the Millennium Centre and also in the concerts and the performances that we promote in the Ganolfan foyer. So come with us now and we'll have a look at the recording studio. We're particularly proud of our recording studio and a wide range of ensembles and people have recorded there, Bryn Terfel, Welsh National Opera, but the first recording was by a local rock group, and this wide variety of recording facilities that we're able to offer has been a particular success as far as Tŷ Cerdd is concerned. We also run some of the National Youth Arts Wales ensembles, the National Youth Brass Band of Wales, which we formed in 1982, the National Youth Choir of Wales in 1985, the National Youth Training Choir to support that, National Youth Jazz Wales, and the National Youth Wind Orchestra of Wales. Now these youngsters performing in these ensembles represent the very best talent of our instrumentalists and singers in Wales. And we have a partnership with the Welsh Joint Education Committee in delivering National Youth Arts Wales, and they look after the National Youth Orchestra, National Youth Theatre and National Youth Dance. Now here's the Tŷ Cerdd library. We have representation of well over 400 Welsh composers here in research scores, but we've also got a large choral ending library, music for brass bands, wind orchestra, jazz, and this amounts to something like 25,000 different works. If you heard the fanfare that opened the Wales Millennium Centre, you'll find that that was commissioned by Tŷ Cerdd, as we also commissioned the music to open the Senedd and the new sessions of the Welsh Assembly Government. Well, thanks for visiting us at Tŷ Cerdd, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.